Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to set up and use DeepSeek on WhatsApp. So firstly, guys, click on this green plus icon to open up a new chat. After that, click on New Contact. In here, you just need to type in the first name DeepSeek. Let me do that along with you, DeepSeek, like that. After that, you need to add a specific number into here. So let us do that. So you need to use a +34 in the basically region. So let us do that. Let us find that. Just give me a second. Alright guys, so precisely type in this number. As you can see, the country code is going to be Spain, starting from 34. After that, just typing the phone that I've typed in my phone, as so. There you go. And after that, press on save. Right. And now, as you can see, we have added DeepSeek. We can open it up and start chatting with it. As you can see, it's labeled as a business account. And this is how you use it, guys. You're absolute welcome. Thank you for watching. Now you can start chatting with it and use it. If you enjoyed the video, press like and subscribe. See you in the next one.